Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we have solved exercise number 2.1, question number 1. Now we will solve question number 2 of the same exercise. And the question number 2 is convert the following fractions into the decimal fractions. Okay, convert the following fractions into the decimal fraction, and the first part is 17/25. To convert this fraction into the decimal fraction, we have to divide 17 by the 25. So take 17 under the division and take 25 outside the division. So this 17 is less than 25, so we cannot divide 17 by the 25. So we have to solve this. So to solve this, we should place here 0 point, and due to this point here comma 0, because this is the rule. So now we have 170 divided by 25. So we multiply 25 by 6, we get 150. So place 6 here and put 150 here. Now minus 150 from the 170, we get 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 20 is less than 25, so again put 0 here. So this becomes 200 and this is 25. Now multiply 25 by 8, we get 200. So again minus 200 from 200, so this 200 plus 200 and minus 200 will be cancelled and this becomes 0. So we can say that 17/25 is equals to 0.68 in the decimal fraction. So this is a simple way to divide any fractions, to convert the any fraction into the decimal fraction. So the first part is solved. Now we will move toward the second part. And the second part is 19/4. Again 19 divided by 4, so put 19 under the division and take 4 outside the division. So this one is less, so take this 19. We know that 4 4s are 16. This value should become than this value. This cannot be greater than this value because we have to need minus. So 19 minus 16, we get 3 here. Now 3 is less than 4, so place point here and here come 0 due to this point. Now 4 7s are 28. Again minus 28 from the 30, we get 2. Again put 0 and 4 5s are 20. Plus 20 and minus 20 will be cancelled, so here become 0. So we can say that 19/4 is equals to 4.75. This is the answer of 19/4 into the decimal fraction. The method of any fraction, to convert any fraction into the decimal fraction, is very simple. You just need to divide the value to convert it into the decimal fraction. Now we move toward the third part, and the third part is 57/8. Again put 57 under the division and 8 outside the division. So this is 57 and this is greater than 8, and we know that 8 7s are 56, and this is the lesser value than 57. So we can write 56. Now we will minus 56 from the 57. We will get 1. Now this one is less than 8, so we have to put point here, and here come 0. Now we know that 8 ones are 8. This is the lesser value. If I write here 2, so this becomes 16, and 16 will be greater than the 10, so I cannot write here 2, and I cannot write here 16, because this value should be the lesser than this value. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Again put 0 here. We will get 8 2s are 16. Now minus 16 from the 20, we will get 4. Again put 0 here, and 8 5s are 40. Now minus 40 from 40, we will get 0. So 57 over 8 is equals to 7.125 into the decimal fraction. So third part is solved, and this is the answer of 57 over 8 into the decimal fraction. The procedure is same for all the questions. Now we will move toward the fourth part, and the fourth part is 205 over 18. Now put 208 under the division and 18 outside the division. We take these two values, and this is 20 and this is greater than 18, so I can divide 20 by the 18. So 18 ones are 18. This is the lesser value than the 20. Now we will minus. So 20 minus 18 is 2. Take 5 here. This is the 25, and 25 is also greater than 18, so 18 ones are 18, and 25 minus 18 is 7. Now this 7 is less than 18, so place point here. This become 0. So this is 54. Write 54 here. Now minus 54 from the 70, we will get 16. So this 16 is less than 18, so put 0 here. This becomes 160, and 160 is greater than 18, so we can divide 160 by the 18. So 18 multiplied by 8, we get 144, and this is a less value than the 160, so we can write 144. Now minus 144 from the 160, we will get again 16. Okay, so this is also less than 18. Again put 0 here, and again write here 144. Again minus this, and we will get 16. Again 16 is less, and put 0 here. Again here become 8, and we write here 144. Again we will minus, and we get 16. Again put 0. So this is the this 8 is repeating here, so we can say that this is repeating digits. Sorry, he is not right 3. So 8 is repeating, so we can write 11.388. After the decimal, only 3 places will be count, and the fourth place is for the fourth digit is greater than 5, or 5 greater than or equal to 5, then we can add one number in the last digit. So we can write 9 here. Okay, because 8.8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So this is the answer of 205 divided by 18. We have no need to solve this procedure as long. So the fourth part is solved. Okay, now we will solve fifth part, and fifth part is 5 over 8. Now again the same procedure is put 5 under the division, 8 outside the division, and this 5 is less than 8, so we put 0 point here and here 0. Okay, now this becomes 50 and 50 is greater than 8, so we will solve this. 8 6 are 48. Now 50 minus 48 we will get 2. Again 2 is less than 8, so put 0 here again, and 8 2s are 16. Now minus 16 from the 20 we will get 4. Again put 0 here, and 8 5s are 40. So 40 minus 40 is equals to 0. So we can say that 5 over 8 is equals to 0.625. This is the answer into the decimal fraction of 5 over 8. So fifth part is solved. Now we will move toward the sixth part, and the sixth part is 25 over 38. Again put 25 here and 38 here. Now 25 is lesser than 38, so it should be greater, so place 0 point here and here become 250. Now 250 is greater than 38. Now we will multiply 38 by 6. Now write 6 here and 228 here. The next the next step is minus 228 from 250. We will get 22, and 22 is less than 38, so again put 0 here. Now 220 is greater than 38. Now this becomes 220. Multiply 38 by 5. We get 190. Now minus 190 from 220, we will get 30 here. Again put 0 here and multiply 38 by 7. Now write 7 here and put 266 here. Now minus 10 minus 4 is 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is 34, and 34 is less than 38. Again put 0 here. Multiply 38 by 8. We will get 304. Now minus 304 from the 340. We will get 36, and 36 is also less than the 38. Again put 0 here and multiply again by 8. This value is less, so multiply 38 by 9. This is 342. So this is also less than 360, so we can write here 342, and minus 342 from 360. We will get 18. So we have no need to solve this more, because we have only need 4 or 5th fraction after the 4 or 5th digit after the point. So we will terminate our procedure here. So this is the answer of 25 over 38 into the decimal places. So the second question is complete. Now we will solve the next question in our next video. Allah Hafiz.